EIA Environmental Impact Assessment is the process of study which predicts the effect of a proposed industrial or infrastructure project on our environment and our lives. Is EIA being properly implemented in India? The LG Polymer plant incident in Visakhapatnam and Oil India Limited incident in eastern Assam shows how important environmental clearance really is. It was later revealed that these projects had no environment clearance certificate. This is the reason why the new EIA Draft 2020 is drawing a lot of attention. In this video, we will look at 5 factors in EIA 2020. The EIA New Draft 2020 allows post-facto clearance. This means that the project can carry on its operation without even getting environmental clearances. Under the proposed changes, project proprietors need to submit only one annual obedience report with conditions compared to the existing 2. Construction projects up to 150,000 square meters and projects in area within 100 kilometers from the Indian border are exempted from the EIA norms. This would be problematic as most of the Northeast, which is rich in biodiversity, will be part of this area. In the new draft, notice period for public hearing has been cut from 30 days to 20 days. This will make it difficult to study the draft EIA report. Moreover, the draft will not be provided in the regional language, nor it will be widely available. Draft EIA Notification 2020 is out of sync with international law. Many nations are tightening the environmental protection rules and regulations while India is simply diluting the whole thing. So what can we do? We can raise our voice, send email to the government and file a petition to the link given in the description below before August 11. Let's save our nature.